To build a strong financial foundation, having multiple streams of income is key. These income streams can be either active, like a job or side hustle where you exchange your time for money, or passive, such as rental income, dividends, or royalties. Passive income typically requires upfront effort or capital to set up, but once established, it can provide ongoing earnings with minimal ongoing work. If you already have sufficient capital, passive income can offer financial freedom. However, if you lack the necessary funds, you will need to focus on generating more active income to pay off debt, save, and eventually invest. The goal is to create a steady, sustainable cash flow. No matter the income stream, success often comes down to effective marketing. Whether you're promoting yourself, your products, or someone else's services, your success depends on: is what you're offering essential or high in demand? Is it competitively priced? Will clients return for more, or will you need to constantly find new customers? Many people debate between affiliate marketing and network marketing, but there's a third option that combines the best of both: affiliate networking. Let's break down the differences. In affiliate marketing, you promote products or services and earn a commission. Your success depends on the size of your network, how well your network aligns with the product's niche, and your ability to influence purchasing decisions. No upfront capital is required, and you can leverage your existing contacts. The company handles customer service, so your role is primarily promotion. However, it requires consistent effort and time. Moving over to network marketing, it was originally focused on direct selling, but evolved into a model centered on recruiting others to join the network. There's the potential for team-based earnings. However, network marketing is often associated with overpriced products due to the high recruitment bonuses. It requires a significant amount of your time and effort to manage and motivate your team, and it can feel like a full-time job due to the need to constantly follow up with team members. Affiliate networking combines the strength of both models. While the company handles customer satisfaction, you and your team maintain communication with customers to ensure a personal connection. If you're unavailable, you can always delegate this to someone in your network. Your primary role is to promote the product or services to attract new customers, rather than managing existing ones. You don't need to be a customer yourself to promote the product, though experiencing it can be beneficial. Happy customers may refer others, growing your team naturally. As your team expands, you earn bonuses based on the sales volume, without being responsible for managing them. In essence, you focus on promoting the product or service to attract new customers. As customers refer others, your network grows organically. You earn commissions and team bonuses as your network sales volume increases, while the company handles customer satisfaction. If you're interested in exploring affiliate networking, I review companies over a 6-month period to ensure they're credible and worthwhile. Once I've completed my due diligence, I create a video sharing my findings and experiences. My goal is to provide you with the facts so that you can make an informed decision rather than simply following my recommendation. If this resonates with you and you'd like to stay updated on my next review, please subscribe. Let's work together towards achieving financial prosperity in 2025 and beyond.